Hello, everybody. Long time no see.
Whole new time for us.
Yeah. We bought something. We got ourselves a nice new van. It's a strip cargo van, and we're gonna turn it into
A mini home on wheels.
That's right, camper van. We'll call it White Blaze.
White Blaze.
Yeah, we figured it was cheaper than buying one that was already done. Plus it'll be fun.
We can customize it the way we want it.
And we'll all right, we'll go over some things. Alrighty. All right, so what do we got here? 2026 Ford Transit cargo van.
With Copilot Assist 2.0.
2.0, that's right. So that comes with sensors down here on the grill, right underneath the Ford emblem. Well, it actually has a camera. We got a camera up. You can't really see it there. Got cameras on the sides. Tough to see in that light. I don't know if it's showing. And then we got another camera in the back, up top here, right underneath the brake light there. It's a Transit 350. All-wheel drive. I'll go over the doors in a little while. I don't know if you can see that hump right there, but those are magnet and the doors stick shut. So the only options we have here is the
Copilot Assist 2.0
and
the extended fuel tank.
Extended fuel tank.
Now we can haul 31 gallons of fuel.
Yep. Empty that wallet quicker.
Hey, I gotta ask a question.
Okay.
With all those cameras,
Yep.
you mean Big Brother watching us?
No, we're watching him. All right. Oh wow, I can see ourselves in there. All right, Carrie. Let's start with your vision.
My vision in the front, first thing is that grill. It's gotta go.
It's gotta go, she says. She wants a Raptor style
I
grill.
want a Raptor style grill in there. Give it a little more definition. It'll take some of the silver and white away. You get a little bit more black, get more contrast. That'll look great.
All right.
Up top,
Up top.
we are getting a Flatline Company low profile rack system to put up there. And we're going to put in a light bar on top of that,
Across the face.
across the face of it. Not sure yet what the light bar is going to be. I'm torn between two of them. It's either going to be a KC light bar or just a standard LED light bar that they have. We'll see what that brings.
And that's gonna have a ladder on the side here. That'll be right about here. Should come right up the side of that panel. Right in here. All right. So now, well, we'll talk windows next.
Well, no, I was going to talk roof rack still.
Oh, you're still talking roof rack?
Yeah,
Okay.
we have
Okay.
to go with the roof rack because we want to put solar on it. And the solar will attach right onto the roof rack. So we don't have to worry about trying to attach it anywhere else on top of the roof.
True. And we can move them where we want
Move them
to.
where we want and get the dimensions that we want, so we won't be limited to where they need to be placed.
We bought the windows first, and then the roof rack. Windows are still not here.
They are not.
They are not here. We only bought 5 windows.
We still got one more that we're debating on what we want for it.
All right, so we'll go over that here. So right here, this will be this will be the bunk area. We'll put the dormer
Awning window.
awning window. It's about 34 inches wide and 11 inches tall. This window we did not buy yet. We're still debating on it, but I think it's gonna fill that whole panel, and it'll be a slider. All right, so right here is gonna be 2 windows. One here, one here. They fill the whole indent. There'll be a
Stationary.
stationary 15%, 12%. I forget what the gray is. It's a OEM style. You can still see through it, but if you have a shade there or window blocker at night, but you'll still be able to see through it during the day. I might need a mirror for it. So the door's open.
To 90 degrees.
Yeah, so that's pretty much straight out. Then you unlock here. I can't do it with the hold on to the camera. Yep.
Click.
So then you release it.
Comes all the way back and connects to the magnet.
Comes all the way here and then down in here. I don't know if we can see that. It's tough to see in selfie mode, but there it is. And the magnets hold the door.
So that they're not flopping around on you.
And that way there. And you're all set there. The slider will open and it won't hit it. The dormer won't hit it. I think that works. All right. And then over here, we'll do another one of the dormer windows here. And then on the slider door, we bought the fixed window to go here. So we bought the 5. When they come in, we'll buy the 6th.
They got to get here sooner or later, right?
We've had it 4 weeks. We've bought a lot of stuff and have nothing to show for it.
There's nothing on it yet.
It's putting a damper on the videos. All right. Likes his place. He says he's in charge. He said, when are we going to hit the road?
He's ready to hike some more. He didn't realize how good he had it.
Oh, buddy. You betcha, bud. Best friends, huh? That's right. Right now, I got his old car piece in here. He's not liking it, though. He likes going in between the seats. Right? You want to be in between? I don't blame you. We'll work on that, right? All right. This is the view Bandit wants in the mornings. He wants to catch the sunrises at the beach, out the back door, huh? That's right, buddy. This is where the bed will go. All right. So up here we'll have the bed. That'll be about
3 feet high.
3 feet off the ground. Let me get up here. Whoa. All right, so we're gonna put the bed across. We're gonna go east-west. Right now there's panels in here. We can take the panels out. They just got the pop clips on them. We'll take the panels out, and there's a few inches on either side of that. Then on the sliding door side, we're gonna have water storage down here below the bed, and then we'll have our galley next to it.
That way when I'm cooking, I can just look out at the outside.
We'll let it overstep a little bit,
Yeah, probably 3.
and maybe half the doorway.
Yeah.
We'll have a fold down. You can fold out the table there so we can cook outside or in. And then on this side here, our electric panels will be down below, underneath the bed there. We'll have a couple batteries. So 2 panels on top. We'll put in shoreline power. And we'll charge off the alternator as well.
Absolutely. Oh, it's going there yet.
My grandson says there's a seat going here.
Yeah, he says he needs a seat because he intends on traveling with us when we go camping. So he says we need a seat for him. We're debating whether or not we truly need a seat. We'll figure that out.
They make the type that folds up,
And out of the way.
or you can take it right out. So we're not sure about that yet. And where's your bathroom going to be?
It's going to be over in here somewhere. It's going to be a little pull-out drawer with a potty in it.
All right, so we're not going to do a wet bath.
No wet bath.
No wet bath.
Well, no wet bath, but under the bed area on this side,
Yep.
I'm thinking we're going to put in a TerraPan shower. Just drop down, hook up your shower curtain to the top of it, take your shower, and then when you're done, you just fold your pan back up. It's out of the way, and that way you're saving space. Because we did opt with the shorter version or the regular version. We didn't go with the extended version of the van. So putting in a wet bath would just take out all of our space pretty much. So we'll do the potty over here, pull down shower, and we'll be good to go.
That sounds like a plan. We'll have a gray tank underneath, like 16 gallons or something like that.
16 or 24.
16 or 24, and then up inside here, the clear water tank, be about the same size, roughly.
Yep.
Plus to have the sink and a water pump and heater. And we'll also, out back here, we'll set up a set up to do a outdoor shower.
Yes.
All
Have
right.
an outdoor shower in the back.
All right, and the fan. We're gonna have a max fan
Yeah, max fan is probably going to go right about here.
somewhere in that area.
I'm thinking right in this area. That way, when you got your shower going or when you're cooking,
Yep.
everything's being pulled straight out. You don't want to build up a lot of moisture inside the van. That'll give you the mildew problems. We don't want that.
We do not want that.
We do have a lot of work ahead of us because we have to insulate everything. We have to build our walls.
We're gonna do it all.
We're going to do it all. We're ready to go out and camp. All we got to do is bring the van, put our air mattresses down, and crash.
That's pretty much it.
Yep.
So we'll have a full ceiling up here. I'm thinking maybe bamboo. We'll have the wood floor with the that pink.
Linoleum.
Well,
Oh, the
yeah, I
yeah.
think it's lawn seal or something like that.
Mhm.
And I'm not sure if we'll do fabric. We might do fabric on the wall.
Felt or fabric, yeah.
That felt. Maybe. We'll see.
We want to try and keep it light too.
Yep, we're gonna make a list of everything we put in it. We're gonna price it all.
We're gonna weigh it all.
We're gonna weigh it all. We'll minus weight that we cut out. Just gotta build up the courage to stick that saw on the wall when you go to put
Ooh.
them windows in. Ooh, baby. I'd be sweating on that day, I'll tell you.
Although you did come to the realization.
Well, that's right. Everything's panel in replaceables. Get messed up too bad, I guess. Be expensive, but it's possible.
We're not gonna do that.
We
though.
won't. We'll be good.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's do it.
We're heading out.
What do we got here?
So up here we have all of your controls for your navigation, your cruise control. You've got your music that are all controlling through your screen.
Okay.
Your co-pilot assist runs through your screen. You've got your camera here. So when you're backing up, if you click on your little camera.
Well, that's if you're gonna pull out.
pull
When
out.
you back up, it comes on automatic.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't
My
drive it.
bad. I don't drive it.
This is my daily driver.
I've driven it once. What else do we have here? It's like having an iPad right here at your hand.
Basically, it's got CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, or Android, whatever that is.
Android Play.
We got Android.
Mm-hmm.
You got a shelf up above, and then I believe we'll put in a shelf above it to give you extra storage. They make a bracket that goes onto here.
That way we can cover our windows. Store all those.
Right. These are just the regular two-way manual seats. We are going to put a swivel on them. That way there, when we turn it around, we'll have like a Luna table here. That'd be pretty
Get the
cool.
job done.
Oh, there's Bandit checking things out still.
Come on, boy.
He likes the front. I think he wants to drive. What are you doing, buddy? Get out of there. I don't want no nose prints in there.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, it's all fun and games, huh, buddy? Yeah, you got stuck, didn't you? You got yourself stuck this time. All right. We're going to try to... This is how the co-pilot works. You can see it shows your 360-degree views.
Shows you lines as you're backing up so you know where your vehicle's positioned.
This one's a little deceptive because it always looks like everything's right up on you. But I always look at this one more. This one I could probably zoom the level and make it better, but it works pretty good.
He's in. One shot.
Follows you right up the driveway. It's great in a parking lot. These lines on either side line right up on the lines in a parking lot. I've never parked so perfect in my life. There you go. It'll be quite the project. Well, I'm thinking this is May of 26. I'm thinking by summer next year we should be done. 27.
Completed, yep.
Yeah, just piecing away as we go. Biggest thing is getting the windows and the fan in so you can get the air out of here, and then we can just sleep in here with sleeping bags. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I mean, we can always just camp somewhere in a tent too.
Just not in the cold.
Just, that doesn't matter. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a heater underneath the seat too.
That's right.
That'll tap into the fuel tank. I guess it uses like a liter.
For 22 hours, 24
Something
hours.
like that. I forget
Yeah.
what it was. But everything we put in here, we'll put in the description. If we got the idea for someone else's video, we'll put a link to that video. We'll put the whole build in here, along with all our hikes.
Absolutely. Plan on still doing a lot of hikes.
But we bought this instead of the extended, just so we can get into those trailheads. It swings a little bit wider than my pickup did. But they extended, that was an extra 2.5 feet in the back. I'm like, my truck kind of stuck out of the parking spots as it was, so
Yeah.
I didn't really want to stick out even more.
Especially since it's also the everyday driver.
Yeah, that's my daily driver. My poor truck.
It was falling apart.
She took a beating. Really took a beating for 6 months when we were on trail. Just sitting there, just started rusting away.
Yeah.
I guess movement helps keep the rust down. It was getting rusty anyway, don't get me wrong, but it seemed to accelerate while we were gone. I found holes in the bed that weren't even there when we left.
Because you didn't have air drying it out.
Well, that could very well be. I don't know. I don't know how that works, but it could be. Yeah, so this is the daily driver. Yeah, I think it works. I don't have a problem driving it. It took a while to get used to the not being able to see around you. But once you get used to the cameras and the mirrors, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Plus with the windows, it'll help open it up a little.
Get a little more light in here.
Because you got like this big dead space behind you, especially with all the black right now. But that'll all be gone once we start working on it.
It's like you're sitting in front of a cave.
That's right. It's our little White Blaze hostel.
That's right.
Yeah, maybe we can do trail magic out of it this summer up in New Hampshire or something.
That's the goal.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
New Hampshire or Maine, something like that.
Find some hikers.
We'll
Let's
find
go.
some out there.
We'll feed them.
Yeah. That would be something if we had the jump seat. You could always shuttle some people if they were in a jam. If you were up at a trailhead, that'd be pretty cool. We'll see. Nothing's set in stone yet. The only thing that's set in stone is we're doing it.
Absolutely.
That's the only thing. And hopefully we'll have a good time doing it. I think we will.
Of course we will.
Right?
We always have a good time.
Came with the protection package in the cargo area, which I didn't really need. But good news is, this rubber mat, I can trace that on the plywood, and that's my floor.
That's the template for the floor.
I don't have to do any measuring for it. I can just trace it. Works for me, and I don't have to buy a kit with a template to do it either. I can just do it right off of that.
Yep.
Yeah, looking forward to it. We'll have fun with it. Definitely, I think so. Bandit seems to enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
He thinks he's king of the house.
Little is he gonna know that once it starts we start getting everything all in there, he's gonna have a little less room. He may not be as happy.
I don't know. He kind of liked it sitting in between the two seats. I just didn't want him in there because I didn't want his nose all over the screen. She lets him in anyway.
He's a good dog.
All right, so the next video should be the roof rack.
Yes.
We'll see, and then after that, I don't know.
It's a race to see which one's coming in first, the roof rack or the windows.
Yeah. So we'll do that, and we'll find a couple hikes to do. I'm thinking of saving the north-south trail to late September instead of the middle of summer.
He doesn't want to get it well. It's too hot.
I don't like the heat. I like the cold. It'll still have leaves. We'll still have leaves. That'd be cool.
Maybe even a little foliage.
Maybe even, yeah, late September. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
It'll be starting.
Yeah.
But we'll do that. We're still going to do those 4,000 footers. So we got that. We could take mountain bikes in here. We could always go up to, where's that? Lincoln
Woods,
Yeah, up in,
New Hampshire.
yeah, that big bike path there.
Yeah.
Where we got picked up from one of the hostels. That was a pretty good bike path there.
That was a nice
I think it was
bike
like
path.
30 miles. I think it was all paved.
It is. It's all paved.
That can be cool. And I think that's it for now. We'll see you out there.
Peace.
Peace.